What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening a Funko Pop mystery box. That's right, another Mr. Grail mystery box. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another Mystery Grail Funko Pop mystery box. Today we have 4 boxes to open right here. It's going to be a treat. We are going to be approaching these mystery boxes with the 3 W's in mind. What's the price? What's in the box? And was the value there? So the price was $15 and $4 shipping. So a total of $19 shipped. At least for me. That's what I paid for each box. $19 shipped. In these boxes you will find 1 Funko Pop, some candy, a scratch and win ticket. There are 1,500 boxes in this run of mystery boxes. You can potentially get a small, medium, and large Grail. Let's take a second and look through the Grails and see if there's anything that we really would want from the Grails. So I've scooched over so you can see the graphic right here. Alright, so this time around, I'm actually looking at my laptop right now, so let's see what we would want to get in the like the smaller tier of Grails. The Scooby-Doo, the Shaggy. I mean, I've already got that pop in the background. You can probably see it back there. Maybe not. The graphics covering it up. Looks like we have an 11 from Stranger Things. That looks like a really cool pickup. Looks like we got a Marty McFly pop that would be pretty cool to pick up as well. Looks like in the premium Grails, the only one that I see that I would want in my collection would be the Yummy Mummy, because it is an ad icon, and I do somewhat collect ad icons, so that would be a pretty good one to have in my collection. In the Mega Grails, I would definitely get the Billy Pop from Saw. That would be like an ultimate Grail in the collection. I don't collect a lot of horror pops, but I do like horror movies, so that would be a pretty good one to get. I am in the market for some My Hero Grails, so if I happen to get any of the big boy medium Grails, I would definitely cash it in or trade it in for the My Hero Grails. Alright, so let's go ahead and crack these bad boys and let's see what we get. Alright, so it is covered like the last one, so that is pretty cool because we want to keep the mystery alive even further. We want to open this up and hopefully we get what we want. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, bam! What is it? Alright. It is a Castaway Pop. Really freaking sweet. There it is right there. Castaway, who is this? Chuck Nolan. And Wilson! There he is right there. Now, what I like about these is they're all in Pop Shield pop protectors. Really freaking sweet. I use Pop Shield on all my stuff here. Really freaking sweet. So, we get the lottery ticket right here. I'm going to go ahead and scratch it off, and I'll show you all at the end. Okay? And we got the candy in here too. Three, two, one, bam! What is it? Anything good? Ooh, okay. This is an older pop, right? I believe this is an older pop. And who is this? Lumineer? I don't know. There's that guy from, I don't even know what it's from. Beauty and the Beast. Holy crap. That's a really freaking sweet looking pop. Once again, we have the pop right here. I didn't even show the sides on the other one. I'll do it at the end. But there we go right there. I don't even know that guy's name. Lumineer? I don't know. I'm terrible with spelling and words. So, there's that. We get another scratch and win ticket right there. Pretty cool. And some candy. Bam! What is it? Anything good? Really good? Okay, this is one of Funko's monsters. What is the name of that? Wetmore Forest. I think Ricky will take this one off my hands. But that is really freaking cool. Yeah. What's the name of this guy? Chester McFreckle. I don't think any of these were on the Grail's list, but that's not going to stop us because we got one more box. Here's the ticket right there. You know, it's going to be a Grail this time because my luck is like that. No, it's not. It's never like that. Anytime I pull a Grail or a chase or anything is when it's off camera. Like that Deku situation. Let me tell you. Those pre-orders that I canceled came into GameStop and I was like, what the hell? Let me go ahead and just get those two. I opened one and it was a chase. So, side note. Anyways, in 3, 2, 1, bam. What is it? Can you see it? Is it a Grail? Not a Grail. Pretty cool nonetheless, though. It is a Hulk pop. It's a heavy Hulk pop, too. That is pretty sweet. Hulk. Yeah, it is a Funko Insider Club Hulk. Pretty cool. I think these are the ones that had the cards. They had the cards with them. I don't think this is the one that has a card, though. Or I don't think there's a card in here. But pretty sweet nonetheless. Now let's go ahead and I'll stop the video here and I'll scratch off all the stuff and I'll show you what we got. Here we go. If we're talking value, everything added up, I'm going to do the first pop, the first box. Okay, so the first pop was the Chuck Nolan with Wilson. So the value on this on PPG Pop Price Guide is coming in at a whopping $7. So I scratched the ticket off and I got 200 tokens. So I'm going to give that $1. Being generous. So a total of $8. If you're paying $19, you're losing $11 total on this box, this pop. So a loss of $11 on this pop. And at the end, we'll go over the whole total and tell you if it's worth it or not. Keep in mind, these are all free. I got this from my first box. I got a $100 gift card from the first box. And these are basically all free. So take that with a grain of salt when you're doing your boxes. So these were basically free for me. The next one is Lumineer. I guess I'm saying the name right. I've seen the movie, but it's been a long time since I've seen the movie. So this one is coming in at a whopping $31. And I gave it an extra $1 for the 200 tickets because that's what I got on a scratch off, 200 tickets or tokens. So I value this at $32. So that was an increase of $12. That's a $12 profit, I guess you'd want to say, above value of what I paid for the box. So $12 above the $19. So the next one we have is the Chester McFreckle from the Wetmore Forest line, and it is the Spring series. So it comes in at a whopping $14, and I got 200 tickets, which I'm gonna give it another $1, so $15 total. Losing $4 if you're, $15. I'm being generous with the tokens because you can get other stuff. You put that code in on the website and it gives you more tokens and you can redeem for bigger prizes. So I'm giving it $1 because I believe that's what it's worth. Last but certainly not least, we have Hulk. Too bad. Alright, so he is coming in at a whopping $9. $9. Okay. So, but on this scratch off ticket, I got 500 tokens. So I'm gonna give that a valuation of $2. So $2 plus $9, $11. So I lost $8 on this box if I was to buy it. I paid $76 for all 4 boxes, including shipping and everything. After all said and done, I lost $11 on all 4 of these boxes. If I would have bought them, like I said, I got that gift card for $100. So these were all free for me. So take that, like I said, with a grain of salt. You're not going to get the grails. your chances of getting the Grails are really, really slim, and this kind of proves it. The only best one out of the lot was this one right here. Lumineer, or whatever his name is. That guy was the top winner in this box. That's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. I guess the question of the video for today would be, have you ever bought a mystery box? Did you get more back in value than you paid for, or did you lose terribly? I believe this one is a pretty cool pop, but I think there's a glow-in-the-dark version of this one that's like $50 or $60. But this is the top hit in my box right here. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.